New Black Friday deals just dropped at the Loves. Yes, so it's a new DeWalt Black Friday holiday deals 2023. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more to review of videos, so we can get you the latest and greatest Black Friday deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're here at the gift center. We're just going to highlight some of the good deals or killer deals that they have. And then we're going to move on to the newer DeWalt Black Friday deals that they just dropped. Alright, to start here, we got a couple of lights. This is rechargeable clamp lights. It's 1500 lumen. You got $15.98 for the 3-piece screw joints. Definitely a really nice deal here, or gift for dad, brother, son, for wife, whoever is a DIY at the house. This is a great plier set as well. $24.98 5-piece plier sets. And then the fastback style. If you guys don't want to spend the Milwaukee price, well, this you got two for the price of one, so $14.98. You got a compact easy tape measure, 25-footer, 2-pack for $17 basically. So if you cut that in half, it's around what, $8? $9 a piece. So pretty good deal. And then you got a 6-in-1 screwdriver, $7.98. It's pretty nice. I do have something similar to this in the truck. It's very useful. You never know when you're going to run into something like that. You know, you never know when you're going to need it, actually. You got a demagnetizer and magnetizer box here included with this deal. Really nice screwdrivers. $24.98. It does include some precision and some stubbies there. So $6.98 for this very inexpensive hammer. So if you guys need something, just hammer up. Not necessarily the best quality, but you know, just a nail or something, or break something basically, and you know, it works. $6.98. This is even cheaper. So $6.98, your choice here. You got a fastback style, like a quick release that they call it, and then $9.98 for the inflator gun and digital tire gauge, and then a foot inflator, a dual foot inflator and gauge. So if you guys got compressors, old school style, well, there's inflators for you guys. I personally do just run my battery operated or battery powered inflator instead of the old compressor. $29.98 for the 22-piece accessory kit. Now this is a really nice accessory kit. It does include a lot of adapters, like 1/2 inch, 3/4, all kinds of stuff in there. 1/4 inch, 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Very, very useful to have. $59.98 for the 126 mechanics tool set. So if you do your own work, guys, these security bits are really hard to find, and having those security bits in this set, that makes it really, really nice toolkit to get. So you do get a lot of sockets, shallow sockets, deep sockets, a bit driver there, and then the nut drivers, or nut bit drivers. $59.98 for the ratcheting wrench set, 20-piece. That's a really good deal. Combination wrench set, 24-piece, as a good deal as well. So definitely check these out, guys. This is a really nice kit. It does include a lot of these wrenches. Yeah, great for the toolbox. And if you know, having a junkyard toolbox, well, these are the way to go. The cheaper ones. $169, and you got the buy more, save more. So you spend $269, save $75, spend $189, save $50, spend $99, and save $20. This is the Cobalt K-Stack or modular storage system. So definitely check it out. Really, really nice system to get into. Then you got the Craftsman, a little bit more inexpensive, $149 for the 3-piece. Spend $149, save $50, spend $99, save $25, spend $49, save $10. So Tray Stack Pro, that's what they call it. You got the Tough Build, which is the newest out of the bunch here. $199, spend $349, save $100, spend $249, save $70, spend $149, save $30. So these are really nice, guys. They do have the locks on the front. This is very, very innovative technology what they used in here. You got the buy more, save more, $369, save $120. This is the Flex Stack Pack, $219, very comparable to the Red Toolbox. Very similar to the Red Toolbox, but it does have some upgrades. If you guys like the gray color, there you go. But yeah, my favorite out of all these is probably the tough build, with all the front, the lock on the front, the metal sights that it has. Just a versatile, it does have a lot of accessories. Just a smaller box there, the 64.98. Alright, so on to the screwdrivers. This is a really nice set, 19.98 for the 18-piece screwdriver. Was 29 according to what it says here. It does have precision screwdrivers. That is one thing I do love about this kit. It does have some offset screwdrivers and rubber grip, of course. And then 14.98 for the Ox Tools Pro carbon pencil. So this thing will mark on pretty much everything, and it does include different tints, like different colors and tints. And then we got the replacement there for the replacement LEDs. All right, we got a two-step stool, very similar to the Depot, $29.98. And then we got another one back there. It's a three-step for $52.98, 225-pound capacity. And then we got a small ladder there on the back, $59, $59.98. It's like a 4-foot ladder basically. And then we got this one, the Little Giant, very, very nice ladder to get into. This is a 14-footer, 14-foot reach, very strong, versatile. 579 down from 649. It's a Craftsman 2500 watt generator. So this is on sale. There's one back there. It's kind of open. Then clearance, guys, 47 down from 60. Landscape earmuffs from ISO-Tunes. All right, so this one's on clearance. Husqvarna 130C. That is the model number. $54. Make sure you guys look for that, because that's a really good deal. That were sold out on this store. Then they got this organizer. That's a pretty good deal on clearance. Be sure to check it out. Get some organized on your shed or in your garage. $21, $21.97 for this, trash bin. Now that the leaves are falling, the winter's around the corner. $16.17 for this one, the black one. Then we got a ladder here, $129 from $189. It's a pretty good deal from Warner. And this is the clearance section, by the way. So they got the bigger items. And then this is a really good deal on this one. This is $34 there for $49. This is a 3/8 59-piece mechanics tool set, made in the USA with global materials. So you guys know these. A lot of people were buying these and trying to, I guess, resell them or something. But then right now they're making it to the clearance. You got bolts and nuts. 900 piece. You got a 450 piece anchor and screw kit for $17. So both of these are on clearance. So if you guys see this, this is a good assortment to have. I do have a few of these myself, not this brand, but I do have others from other brands. Definitely check it out. And then you got a 2-pack of saw blades, and then we got a Tough Build quick set workbench. This is a really nice workbench. I personally like this one better than the DeWalt. Let us know in the comment section which one do you like better. $85. And then you got a Klein's Tools, a fastback style. It does have a bit holder on the back, as you guys do see. $19.98, pretty nice. But it's a little pricey. It's a little pricey because the red is actually getting some deals out stuff now. $14.98. And then you got this bit driver. It's a 21 for $39.98. So they cramped all these bits in there. It's very interesting what they did. $269 on sale, the Klein Tools. And then $26.98 for the 14-piece titanium drill bit sets. $29.98 for the 16-piece reciprocating saw blade. That is the drill bit set, 14-piece. Titanium. And then you got the reciprocating saw blade with the nice blade holder. Got the Bora plate. And then you got the cutting guide. So pretty nice. And then these I've never seen before. You got the Airwin 25 footers. A 2-pack for $44.98. Basically $22 a piece. Labeled on both sides. Really nice and clear. And then yes, these are the new Black Friday deals. I never seen these before. So let's go over them. Let's see what we got. There's a lot of good stuff in here, especially this $199 start kit. 2 5 amp hour batteries, get a free tool. $299 with 2 power stack batteries, you get a free tool, or you can get the $449 and get 2 free tools. So definitely check it out, guys. Lots of good deals on this. Alright, so to start here, we got the reciprocating saw, we got an oscillating tool, a router, a jigsaw. These are all brushless tools except for the angle grinder. A sander, circular saw, and the impact driver. I don't know, somebody put them down in the comment section that they were able to hack it because they separated the price. I have no idea if you can hack it at the Lowe's, but my guess it would just depend on your store. Now these are the kits for $299 and $199, and then you got the 4-tool Comica for $449 there. That one qualifies for 2 free tools, and then here are the free tool. Like I said, most likely they will not accept the hack at the Lowe's, so you end up keeping both of the tools, and the battery and the tool, so you cannot return anything at the Lowe's. But there's some great deals going on. So like this one, $99, you get a free tool. That is a great deal on this one, so definitely check it out. That's a good stuff. You got the jigsaw. I believe these are brushed tools. You got a drill drive set, bit sets, $14.98. Guys, this is a really nice set. I know this one's crappy, but this one's pretty good. That one was probably kicked around the whole store. But check this out. This one does have the locking bits, those star bits with the center. Like I said, those are very rare to find, guys. And another good deal is these now are coming with square drive. So you got a 1/4 inch, you got a 3/8 square, as you guys do see. That's the one for the 1/4 inch, and then the 3/8 right next to it. So if you guys do mechanics, if you guys do your own DIYs and all that stuff, those are very, very nice to have. Alright, so you got the buy one get one free. So you buy the kit on the left, the impact driver and the drill, and 2 battery and charger, get a free tool. You can select from all these brushless tools. One-handed reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, the ratchet, guys, that's a good one right there. The SDS rotary hammer, the 5 amp hour battery, circular saw. Same thing with these. These are still buy one get one free, so you get any of these for free. If you buy the starter kit for $149, which is a pretty dang good deal. If you guys do see right here, these are all brushless tools. These are quality, nice prosumer level. Alright, so another Black Friday deal they just dropped. Alright, so $349, you buy that kit on the left. These are power detect tools. These are top of the line DeWalt tools. You got the power detect angle grinder, circular saw. That is a hammer drill, power detect hammer drill with an 8 amp hour battery. You guys know that it's a beast. That's the circular saw, valued at $249. You get that. You can get that for free. The angle grinder, I do have this angle grinder. This thing's a beast. I put that thing. I was cutting metal the other day. I was putting that thing to hell and back, and it was taking it. You got 24 down from 29. This is a 35 piece bit set. Really nice bit set here. A big case, some drilling bits, lots of 2-inch bits, and some nut drivers, some drilling bits there on the right. Alright, so these are on clearance. $29.98 was down from $38.98. These are ratcheting wrenches. And then you got this socket set. This is a pretty nice socket set with the clear case, 38 drive. This is $24.98. It's a 24 piece. Then you got another made in the USA with global materials, down to $59 from $69. So pretty good deals on those. $39 over, down from $74. 61 piece 3/8 mechanics tool sets. Does have a whole bunch of sockets, deep sockets. And then we got the $99 starter kit with the free tool. Definitely the ratchet's the way to go on this one. So definitely check it out. Yeah, the ratchet definitely on this one. Alright, you got the Skill 20 volt kits, 2 amp hour battery for free. So you buy any of the tool kits and get a battery for free. That's basically what it comes to. These are really good tools. These are all brushless tools. I definitely recommend, especially that impact driver and the drill. $49.98 for a 2 amp hour battery. That's what you're going to get for free. And then we got this one again. I know we saw this at the clearance section, but then we saw it here. It's a 10-inch miter saw blade, or couple of minor saw blades. $69.98 carbide tipped router bits. I was trying to get the best image of the bits there, but I already got the buy one get one free. Buy the 2 tool combo kits, power detect, and get a free power detect tool. Now this one runs down to January the 3rd, so definitely jump on all these deals, guys, before they sell out. At least the better tools are gonna sell out. So yeah, jump on it ASAP if you're gonna end up buying something. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.